Clay masks are renowned for their deep cleansing abilities. They effectively draw out impurities and dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling fresh and rejuvenated. This makes them a perfect addition to your skincare routine. For those with oily skin, clay masks can be transformative. They absorb excess oil and help balance the shine on your face, providing a matte finish that lasts throughout the day. Clay masks are excellent for reducing acne and blemishes. They calm inflammation and soothe pimples, leading to clearer skin. Regular use can significantly improve the appearance of troubled skin. Using a clay mask can enhance your skin tone, making it more even. It diminishes uneven skin color and adds a healthy glow, giving you a radiant complexion. Clay masks aid in skin renewal by exfoliating and removing dead cells. This process leaves your skin feeling softer and more supple, promoting a youthful appearance. Some clay masks include moisturizing ingredients that keep your skin hydrated and soft. This dual action ensures your skin remains nourished and smooth. Mix clay powder with water or milk. Apply. Leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We truly appreciate your time and support for our channel. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support motivates us to create more amazing videos. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. To stay updated, click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.